McDonald's time. Also, look at me in my car. I got a new like holdy thing for my car, so I can actually be driving. Hey. Anyway, if you want to see that, I will literally, I think I'll link it anyway. That and the selfie light I got. 10 out of 10. Right. I've got McDonald's on my own in my car. Because that's how Mum rolls. And don't even come at me with your bullshit, alright? Because I know what's coming. At the end of the day, it's the end of the summer holidays. And I just want to have something by myself. Is that okay? Is that okay? And if it's not, I don't really care what you say. Because I think it's okay. And if you don't have a sweet chili, sweet curry sauce, what are you even having? Anyway, guys, have you eaten? If you haven't, then let's eat something. Let me have some of these chips first. I can't believe it. Look at my little setup. It comes with it like, well, it doesn't. You have to buy a selfie light, but the selfie light's really good. And that just clips on too. But this is good for, I can turn it around, I think. Anyway, that's not what I've come for. What were I doing today? Oh, we went out. Went to a soft play. And then went down the beach on the bikes. Came home, did some cleaning, did the tea, sorted everybody out. Come to walk the dog. Okay. Walk with the dog. No, I am going to walk the dog. But first of all, I thought, do you know what? I actually sat in a car park with nobody. So, I hope that these gates don't shut any minute, otherwise I'll be here all night. Someone's looking at me then. How am I going to eat this big arch in the fucking car? What was I even thinking? Karma. That's what. Let me put this back a bit. Hang on. I'm just back. Ew, what is that? Oh, hilarious. Right, let's get this bad boy. Oh, look at that. I'm sorry. Yeah, it's going down. This meal with Coke, just under £10. I'll tell you actually, the receipt's right here. £9.89. Oh no. Oh my god, they're crispy onions. Do you guys remember when you got the Happy Meals and you actually got decent toys? Do you remember the coloured Coca-Cola glasses? If you know, you know. This is nice, but the Big Tasty is my ultimate favourite. Ultimate. That was lots of salt. Sauce. I got 4 minutes. Nah. Oh yeah, the sun's coming out now. Do I feel guilty? No. Absolutely not. Have a good day.